Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Word Chat. I'm Emma, and today we're talking about a fun seasonal word, hayride. With Halloween coming around soon, this is the perfect time to learn it.
Hi there, I'm Tyler, and Emma, I love this word because it's so connected to fall traditions. A hayride is basically a ride on a wagon or trailer that's filled with hay, usually pulled by a tractor.
Exactly. It's a classic autumn activity in the United States. People sit on hay bales in the back of the wagon and ride through farms, pumpkin patches, or even haunted trails during Halloween season.
Right, the word comes from combining hay and ride, pretty straightforward. Let me give you some examples. You might say, we're going on a hayride at the pumpkin farm this weekend, or the haunted hayride was so scary.
Here's another one. The kids love the hayride through the apple orchard. It's especially popular around Halloween because farms often add spooky elements like ghosts and monsters along the route.
That's true, haunted hayrides are huge in October. Families and friends pile onto these wagons, and it's a fun way to enjoy the cool weather and fall scenery.
And you'll notice it's always one word, hayride, not hayride with a space. It's become such a traditional activity that it got its own compound word.
So to recap, a hayride is a fun autumn ride on a hay-filled wagon, perfect for fall festivals, pumpkin patches, and Halloween adventures. It's a word you'll hear a lot this time of year.
Thanks for learning with us today. Maybe you'll even get to experience a hayride yourself this Halloween season. See you in the next Everyday Word Chat.